Here we go. What?
It wasn't. No, we've actually crushed some of that. So
Yeah.
Nice. So, yeah, welcome back to Quick Sixer. This is a special field report coming from Parker, Colorado's.
field report.
What?
Field report.
Yeah, field report. You haven't even seen that playlist?
That sounds official.
Do you even subscribe to the channel, B? God. But anyways,
I'm
yeah,
terrible.
field report from Colorado.
Terrible.
Brittany is visiting some people she's going to introduce real quick, and then we're going to tell you three good things and 3 bad things about moving to Colorado or being in Colorado or drinking in Colorado. Or just
You just heard baby. Baby
I'm going to
no
count that
baby
as a
bad.
good thing, but we count baby as a good thing.
Oh yeah,
Um,
baby's a great thing.
For sure.
All right, cool. All right, babies. That doesn't count against college. That you don't get a baby when you go to Colorado. So you got to think of another 3 good things. But anyways, B, introduce our guests, and then we'll talk about the 3 good and 3 bad.
This is Macy. She's now been. This is her 3rd appearance.
Third appearance. She's an alum. She's an alum.
3rd appearance.
Mhm.
And this is Cory. His 2nd appearance.
Yeah, let's go.
Alums.
Right.
I'm telling you, I'm
In a
expecting.
lager.
Yeah. I'm expecting to see these subscribe numbers go up by 2. I'm just letting you know.
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't
yeah.
even know.
They've been waiting for Macy to come back.
Oh, I'm sure. Yeah.
Yeah, the numbers, they spike, I'm telling you. So anyway,
I have that effect on people.
It's true.
what are you gonna do, you know? Okay, so what we want to do today is we did this a little bit ago. Me and Adam talked about he went to Phoenix. And I told him I need you to rate the desert, my guy. And since you're in a different climate, different zone, we would say, well,
Yeah.
you need 3 good things and 3 bad things about being in Colorado. Specifically, I guess you guys are in Parker, yeah?
We're in Castle Rock.
Castle Rock, even better. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Macy. How about we do this? We go. Macy goes 1. Cory goes the next. We go flip flop. And then B, you can interject if these things are not good or bad. Like
Well,
if
sounds great.
if you don't agree, then I want to hear it. You know.
Okay.
All right. Let's hear it. Oh, and before you start, beers by Downhill Brewing in Parker, Colorado. So go
Yeah.
ahead and check
Wait,
them
yes,
out if you're in the area.
Amazing.
Yeah. Well, all right, cool. All right, Macy, let's hear it.
Probably my favorite thing is that there are lots of like outdoor activities that you can do because generally for the most part the weather is really good here. And
Nice.
if it does snow, it doesn't last very long. So you can get outside and do all the things, especially if you have kids and hike and whatever.
Hell yeah.
But that's one of my favorites, yeah.
Nice. Yep.
Nola agrees.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe
Yeah.
outside.
Man, dude, B, you're lucky. It's cold as shit here right now. By the way, it's
Yeah.
like in the 20s. It was in the 20s like last night.
It's actually
Anyway.
pretty cold here too.
It was cold here, but it's manageable.
It's like
Yeah.
40s, but that's like nice here actually.
Yeah.
Cold in the shade.
Yeah.
Yeah, cold in the shade.
Yeah.
I like that though. Like ours, like so it was 20s at night last night, and then it's like in the 60s right now. So I'm like,
Yeah.
all right, let's just
Right.
trying to kill everybody. So, but anyways, all right, Cory, your turn. One good or bad?
I'll go good. So I think I'm gonna let your subscribers in on a secret. It's just the weather here is amazing, in my opinion. So it might snow, and I think everyone thinks we're covered in snow all the time, but then it gets sunny and it all melts. So
Yeah, it
we
doesn't
get
last.
the sunshine. We get tons of sunshine. Like I think
Nice.
300 plus days a year of sunshine. So that's my favorite.
That's amazing. Are either of you from Colorado?
Cory is.
Yeah, I should probably disclose I'm biased because I've been.
Yeah, I was gonna say. This sounds like a local opinion to me.
Yeah, definitely biased. Happy to admit.
All right, B, are we agreeing or not agreeing?
I'm agreeing because cold here is different. Like I
It's a
have-
dry cold.
I have like one leather jacket I've been
Yeah.
wearing the whole time since I've been here, and that's it. I haven't really been like bundled up or anything, so.
Okay. So that's too good. Now let's do too bad. Macy, what do you got? What's a bad?
Oh, man. Okay, my biggest one is the influx of people moving here.
That makes
But
sense.
also, man, I'm trying to think.
Grocery bag.
Oh,
What?
they charge you for grocery bags, like the little plastic bags at the store. You have to pay 10 cents per bag. And I don't know why, but that really bothers me. And I refuse my bag, so I will just push my entire cart full of groceries with no bags and just dump them in the trunk.
Okay.
Because I'm
Okay.
like, nope, they're not getting that. Yeah, that is a good.
That's pretty good. Yeah.
Really
All
bugs
right,
me.
Cory. One bad.
I'll go cost of ski tickets. So unless you have a
Okay.
pass, I mean, if you want to come out skiing, you don't have your own stuff, you're gonna pay $250 a day to go skiing per person, plus the rentals. So
What are we looking at total for one day of a non-equipped skier?
probably $350. But if you bring your own food, if you buy food, it might be another 20. So it might be
Bruh.
$400 by the end of the day. Well, and then
Per
like,
person?
first day skiing is not real fun unless you know how to go get from So definitely would go to one of the cheaper resorts for your first time if you can.
Yeah, that's definitely a negative. I'm liking that at all.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I guess the cost of activities could be a little bit pricey.
The cost of living in general.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, we were just talking about this, like cost of activities. We went on a trip to Alaska this summer, and like when you get to like get off and like go do stuff, like there's the cost of shit is so expensive, but like I feel like to live there wouldn't be, you know? So
Yeah.
no one wants to live there. Well, people
tourist
probably want to, but like, bro, I didn't see I'm gonna tell you right now, I didn't see like a nice house at all. Like everything looked weathered, bro. Like weathered, you know? Like no one's getting maintenance in Alaska. Shout out to Alaska though. Shout out to Alaska though. Got some pretty good beers. Anyways. All right, cool. All right, so that's too bad. Now let's go. We got one good and one bad. Who wants what? Left.
Brittany, have you gone?
Yeah, you haven't.
Oh, I
All
thought
right,
I
B.
was
I want an outsider's perspective.
Yeah, hit me. All right, B. Your visitor's perspective on what's good and bad. One and
I'm
one.
gonna cheat and say all the breweries.
That's a good one. There's literally one like
Every
everywhere.
time I come, which is often, we go to another brewery I haven't been to.
I
So,
love it.
and it's
I
all
love it.
very good.
And shout out to Castle Rock, Colorado, because we have quite a few just right down the road from us.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, that is definitely a plus. Man, I'm super jealous. There was this when I lived in LA. It was like that too. Like you could go down the street and there's like 3 or 4 breweries, especially if
Yeah.
you went to like northern or I mean this is a upper bay brewery, but
Yeah.
some Russian River actually on this cabinet behind me. There's a Russian River growler that we got from them. But anyways, yeah, that's a plus I think anywhere. So big plus. But B, you kind of shot yourself in the foot. Now you have to end it on a sour note. What's bad?
Me? What's bad about being here?
Yeah. You got it. Just one thing.
It's hard to come up with.
I don't really have anything.
It's so nice here.
Yeah.
Honestly, don't. It's okay. There's not gonna be like a bad
Is
thing.
traffic bad?
Not
Is
bad.
the
No,
airport
it's-
bad?
The
The airport's
Yes.
fine.
The
The airport.
airport. Don't listen to her. The
Okay.
airport is terrible.
All right.
It's
All right.
so bad.
This isn't a bad thing. It's just an interesting thing. But like everyone in Colorado kind of dresses the same. They all have like the gear.
There's a lot of
Their uniform.
outfitters stores.
Athleisure.
The athleisure gear.
Athleisure.
Athleisuring. Okay.
Yeah.
A lot of stores with fitter in the thing in the name. Outfitter or winter fitter.
But I'm saying not necessarily a bad thing. It's just an
Okay.
interesting thing. Because I'm walking through the airport and I look a certain way, and then I'm looking around and I'm like, oh, all of these people are gonna go white water rafting or something. Like,
Yeah.
People are very like
Oh,
outdoorsy here.
okay. Okay.
They're
Okay.
ready to go at all times, I guess.
yeah.
Well, that's one thing I love when we visit Brittany. Like we get to go to like a lot of cool places that I don't feel like there's a lot of that here. Like the places you take me are
Right.
places I've never been. Anything like a lot of them are similar, right? Breweries and stuff like that. But when we go hang out with Brittany, we go to like cool places that are very different than
What places are we
I
talking
feel like
about?
what's offered here.
What is cool? Like, hold on, B. You're not taking me to any of these places. Where are we talking about?
Well, I took them to No Quarter, the
Okay.
little pinball
No
bar.
quarter is cool.
So
Yeah, that was so fun.
that was one that we went to, and we went to Bolton's Hot Chicken.
Okay.
Can't go wrong.
So, you know,
Okay.
stuff like
Okay. Some cool places then. Okay.
yeah.
That checks out. Dude, when that new stadium gets put in, it's gonna be ridiculous over there.
Wild.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Gonna be wild.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. But anyways, thank you guys for coming on. Brittany, good field report from Colorado. Well done, Captain.
You gonna post my pics?
Do what?
You gonna post my pics?
I am gonna post them, but I mean, we gotta post them. You know, when this comes out, so you gotta get some hype. B, come on now.
You gonna wait? Okay.
Yeah, you gotta put some hype. Also, it's kind of funny when we post things and then they'll hit me up like, "Hey, are you guys here?" And I'm like, "Nope, we're not." But but
These
anyways,
are-
anyways, Cory, Macy, thank you for coming on. B, have a safe trip back. This
Thanks.
quick
Yeah,
six
thanks
here.
for
Yeah, thanks for
having
having
us.
us.
Yeah, anytime. And your child, thank
Melissa,
them
thank
as
you.
well.
Yeah.
Anyways, this is fun. Thank you guys.
Thank
And
you.
yeah, while you're here, if you're still here, hit subscribe, hit the notifications. It's quick sixer. We're out.